Amy Slayton has once again become the center of attention in the world of reality TV as whispers, speculations, and outright concerns circulate among fans of 1000 LB Sisters. Once hailed as a symbol of transformation and resilience, Amy's journey has taken another dramatic turn, leaving her fanbase both emotionally invested and genuinely worried. Over the past few weeks, a series of cryptic social media posts, brief sightings, and third-party leaks have left viewers desperate to uncover what's really going on with the reality star, particularly regarding her children and her reportedly rocky relationship with new fiancé Brian. From her early days on the show alongside sister Tammy Slayton, Amy's life has unfolded in front of millions. Her weight loss journey was emotional and inspiring, her pregnancy announcements were met with overwhelming joy, and her divorce from ex-husband Michael Holt was one of the most talked about moments in the show's recent seasons. But now, the mystery surrounding her current mental and emotional state, her life with baby Glenn, and the status of her relationship with Brian is causing fans to question if the spotlight is becoming too much. Recently, Amy shared a now-deleted TikTok that featured a montage of photos, some showing her crying, others with vague captions such as, "I tried," and "I don't know what's real anymore." It was enough to set off alarm bells across fan forums, Reddit threads, and Facebook fan groups. Comments like, "Is Amy okay? Where's Brian?" and "Who's taking care of the kids?" quickly began trending among her followers. Adding fuel to the fire was the fact that Brian has not been seen in any recent posts, nor has he engaged with Amy online, leading many to speculate that something major has gone wrong behind closed doors. Brian, the man Amy introduced as her new love interest following her separation from Michael, initially seemed like a breath of fresh air. Supportive, attentive, and more emotionally present than Michael ever appeared to be on screen, Brian was embraced by fans when Amber confirmed they were dating. He appeared in a few photos with Glenn and Gage, leading some to believe he was stepping into a quasi-parental role. However, their relationship seemed to be moving quickly, and just as fast as he arrived in her life, Brian now appears to be gone, at least from the public eye. The timing is what has many fans worried. With Amy now raising 2 young children, including baby Glenn who is still in the early toddler stages, many are questioning how she is coping with everything on her own. Close sources reportedly told an entertainment outlet that Amy is struggling with postpartum stress, emotional burnout, and family tension behind the scenes. And with filming for the next season of 1000 LB Sisters allegedly underway, the pressure may be mounting in more ways than one. A longtime viewer of the show commented on a recent fan podcast, "Amy's not just dealing with raising her boys or trying to move on from her past, she's under this massive lens, and it's like she's expected to stay strong all the time. But it's clear something's breaking." Indeed, the signs of emotional exhaustion have been visible for a while. In interviews and in public appearances, Amy seems less vibrant and more guarded. The smiles look forced. The usually humorous tone in her content feels muted. For a personality that once lit up the screen with her laughter and lovable quirks, this change hasn't gone unnoticed. To make matters more concerning, rumors have emerged that Amy may have had a recent run-in with authorities, possibly related to a domestic dispute. Although no official records have been released to the public and no charges have been confirmed, fan accounts on social media claim that Amy was spotted crying outside her Kentucky home while police were reportedly present. TLC has not commented, and neither Amy nor Brian has directly addressed the incident. In addition to personal struggles, fans are also deeply concerned about Amy's well-being as a mother. While she has often posted adorable photos and videos of Gage and Glenn, some followers have questioned if she's overwhelmed managing them alone. A few months ago, Amy hinted at struggles with Gage's behavior in one of her lives, saying, "He's a handful. I love him so much, but some days I just cry after putting him to bed." That honest admission touched many, but it also highlighted the immense pressure she's likely under without a strong support system. Several insiders believe Amy is doing her best to stay afloat but may be facing pressure from TLC producers to continue filming even amid personal chaos. One source claimed, Amy was hoping to take a step back this season, focus more on her kids, maybe do less on camera drama, but the network needs drama, and Amy's life is full of it right now whether she likes it or not. If true, this would mean Amy is not only coping with potential relationship issues and parenting stress, but also the weight of keeping the show's momentum alive. Meanwhile, fans are split on how to interpret the silence from Brian. Some believe he's simply not into the spotlight and prefers to keep his life private. Others fear the worst, that their relationship has already ended and Amy is covering it up to avoid backlash or judgment. A Reddit post that went viral included this theory: Brian saw what life was like under the public microscope and bailed. Or maybe the relationship wasn't what Amy thought it was. Whatever the case, his absence is being felt loud and clear. Tammy, Amy's older sister, has not made any public statements regarding Amy's situation either, though she recently posted a smiling TikTok video with Andrea Dalton, her rumored new girlfriend. This silence has left fans guessing whether Tammy is aware of what's happening or has decided to step back from family drama herself. Given Tammy's own turbulent journey with rehab, surgery, and new relationships, it's possible she's focusing on her own healing and growth for now. There's also growing concern that Amy might be sinking back into old habits, both emotional and physical. While she had tremendous success with her initial weight loss and seemed more energized in her post-surgery life, viewers have noted that she looks less healthy in recent photos. Some have pointed out puffier cheeks, a more sluggish appearance, and a return to oversized clothing that hides her figure. While these are all speculative observations, they point to a pattern that fans fear is repeating. As one longtime supporter put it, "We've seen this before. When Amy gets overwhelmed, she retreats and starts putting herself last again. We just want her to be okay." What's particularly heartbreaking for fans is that this is all unfolding after what seemed like a hopeful chapter. Amy had been so excited to share her life with Brian, raise her boys in a healthy environment, and enjoy some peace after years of emotional hardship. But now, those dreams seem clouded by uncertainty. While many viewers respect her right to privacy, they also feel that the show's popularity has made her struggles feel communal, like everyone is invested in making sure she's not alone. Amy's most recent post, a simple black screen with the words, "taking a break," sent ripples through the fandom. It's unclear whether this refers to social media, filming, or her relationship with Brian, or all of the above. For now, her followers are left in limbo, unsure of what to expect next and clinging to hope that she'll return stronger and more stable. Some are urging TLC to provide more support behind the scenes or even halt production temporarily if that's what Amy needs to heal. In the world of reality television, real lives are often sacrificed for entertainment. But Amy Slayton is not just a character in a drama. She's a real woman, a mother, a sister, and someone who has opened up her vulnerabilities to the world. She deserves care, compassion, and support, now more than ever. As the speculation continues and fans await official updates, one thing remains certain: Amy's journey is far from over, and those who love her, both on screen and off, are rooting for her every step of the way. Whether it's getting back on her feet emotionally, taking time to care for herself and her kids, or even stepping away from the camera for good, Amy Slayton's next move will no doubt be one of the most closely watched moments in the show's history. Until then, fans can only hope that she finds the peace and strength she so deeply deserves. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.